April 14, 1912, from Southampton, England to New York in New York City, USA, passenger liner RMS Titanic. What did you see? Icebergs, right ahead. Hard to starboard, please. Shut the watertight doors. Reverse the engines. Hard to port.
Close watertight doors. What was struck, Mr. Barrow? We've struck an iceberg, sir.
What happened? What did we hit? We hit an iceberg. I tried to turn away, but it was too late. She's hit it. All right, shut down the engine. Yes, sir.
Engines off.
Excuse me, sir. Why have the engine stop? I felt a shudder. There should be not much to worry about, ma'am. We likely hit a propeller blade. May I bring you anything? No, thank you. Shall I wake the passengers and tell them to get dressed? Yes, please do so now. Also, get the lifeboats ready and prepared. Yes, sir. That's an order. Yes, sir. Everyone up. Get dressed. Get your life belts on at once. Everybody up. Get dressed. Get your life belts on at once. Come on, wake up, passengers. Get dressed. Get your life belts on at once. Everybody up. Get dressed. Get your life belts on at once. You there, get down here. Help me with these lines. Uncover the boat. Uncover this boat. You there, get down here. Help me with these lines. Uncover the boat. Uncover this boat now. My goodness, why are we outside? It's cold outside and it's loud outside here. Hopefully there's nothing to be serious because I have a mother and children to take care of at home. And tomorrow we'll be back on board by breakfast. Send their call for assistance now. Which one? The SOS. Come on, wake up. Okay, I need our position. 41, 44.15.24 west. Captain, I expected damage. How is it? It's very bad. Several compartments are being flooded. The ship will sink. How many hours? Maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, or maybe more. She will sink. But she can't sink. She's unsinkable. She can't float. She will only withstand 4 compartments flooded, not 5. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your crew member speaking. Please step forward now. Come towards me. Thank you. For the time being, I will require women and children only. Gentlemen, please stay back. CQD, CQD, MGY, MGY, CQD, CQD, MGY, MGY, CQD, CQD, MGY, MGY, CQD, CQD, MGY, MGY. This way, madam. Please step aboard the lifeboat, please. Thank you. Do you know that Cape Cod is sending a batch of messages for you? Come at once. We struck a bird. It's a CQD. Position 41.46 north, 50.24 west. Shall I tell my captain? Do you require assistance? Yes, come quick now. All right, let's lower this boat away. Low way, low way. Keep lowering. Steady now.
Keep up steady, lad.
Wait a minute. Stop it. Stop. You're lowering too fast. Slow it down.
Together. Lower away together.
Hold it right there. We do not have any more sailor. Are you a sailor? I'm a yachtsman. All right, please hop into the boat now. All right, guys, let's go. Lower this boat away. Do not make any more mistakes. Come on. Low way, low way. Let's go, let's go. Keep lowering, keep lowering. Yes, you got it. Don't make any more errors, or else we will capsize. Excuse me, sir, what are you doing? I'm lowering this boat. No. You are a passenger and a ship's officer. Now please do as you're told. Are you trying to drown a lot of them? Just do as you're told. Guys, let's lower this boat away. Come on, lower away. Don't make any errors. No mistakes. We need to get down there, one piece, and away from the ship. If we don't, then we will all drown. Women and children only. Gentlemen, please stay back. I say again, women and children only. Gentlemen, please hold back. Thank you. Wait a minute. Stop the lowering. Stop the lowering. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. You're getting too close. All right, I'm gonna go throw out some deck chairs. And I'm gonna get myself some alcoholic drink so I can stay afloat longer in a live water, in the cold water. Chief Baker, Charles Johnson. Once again, after I throw out the deck chairs, then I'm gonna go to my cabin, get a drink of whiskey, and hopefully I can stay afloat and live longer. Charles Johnson, Titanic's Chief Baker. Oh goodness, we're trapped in here. Which way do we go? Where's the lifeboat way? This way, upstairs. CQD. This is Titanic. We don't have much time to live. Water is flooding. It's filled up to the boilers.
Come back to the ship. Boat 6. Attention, boat 6. This is the captain. Boat 6. Return to the ship. This is the captain.
No, we're not going back. It's our lives, not theirs. Now row. on, guys. We have to lower away. Come on. We gotta lower away. Keep lowering. Keep lowering. Engine room, it's filled up to the boilers. We don't know how much can we send the message out. Can anyone closer, come help us. Is there any more women and children? No, sir. Anyone else? No, sir. All right, you can board the lifeboat now. Yes, sir. Mr. Guggenheim, would you like a life jacket? No, sir. We should meet our best and prepare to go down like gentlemen. Ida, please, get to the boat. No, we've been living together for many years. Where you go, I go. Please don't argue. Alright guys, it's time to abandon your cabin now. You can do nothing but more. It's every man for themselves. Alright guys, it's time to play the last song, Near My God to Thee. Abandoned ship. Every man for themselves. Mr. Andrews, we cannot stay here. We have to go now. Yes, sir. We've done our duty. We have to jump off the ship now. Yes, sir. All right, come on, Captain. Let's go. Suddenly, at 2:15 a.m., Titanic has loses her fight to stay afloat. Alright everybody, time to run to the ship now. We have no more boats left. pulling, guys. We have to pull away from the ship, just in case if the ship splits in two. Come on, guys. We do not want to be hit by that funnel. Come on, guys. Pull away from the ship. Let's go. At 2:20 a.m., April 15, 1912, RMS Titanic sinks beneath the waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. 4 hours later, RMS Carpathia come to the rescue, pick up Titanic survivors. Where is the Titanic? She's gone, along with 1,500 lives. Alright guys, and that is it for this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you in my future video. See you guys next time. Bye.